New at 11 during a conference session of the Clarksburg Council in late February, it was discussed that there were issues with the Clarksburg Recreation Center on Duff Avenue in Staley. And during that conference meeting, Council spoke on the issue of the leaking roof and other possible code violations there. The facility from rentals generates approximately $7,000 to $10,000 a year. Clarksburg Parks and Recreation says that the operational cost of the facility are close to $30,000 each year.
I would like to see it purchased by another group, maybe a nonprofit group, or someone that will continue, that it would complement what they're trying to do. You know, whether it be a dance studio, a boxing club, gymnastics, but to just make sure the facility is utilized.
And Council also discussed the option to look and see if anyone else would be interested in taking over that building. Clarksburg will be hosting its regularly scheduled council meeting tomorrow night at 6 p.m.